Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and welcome if you are new here. Today I'm going to be showing you my newest bag, one of the bags that I purchased from Telfar. Another one. This is my sixth bag.
Really, bitch? Really?
This is the UGG and Telfar collaboration. I'm going to be showing you, giving you the details in my opinion. So if you're interested in watching, stay tuned. So, like the other bags, the Telfar bag come in a regular cardboard brown box. This is going to be a short video. Just going to open it up, unbox it for you guys really quick. Comes in a plastic wrapping. It does say UGG and Telfar on the wrapper. Has the tissue paper. So this is the bag. I was so excited to purchase this bag when I did see it online. It is limited edition, y'all. It's my first time seeing this bag. I purchased it in, I want to say, either November or December. He did let those who purchased this bag know that the bag was not going to come immediately. It was going to be coming the next year, around between February and April, I believe. So I received my bag in March. This bag is so cute to me. It has the same material as the UGG boots, and I love UGGs. I know it has been around for a while. Some people are saying it's not the latest fashion, whatever.
It's not even giving what y'all said it was supposed to give. No.
But I am still going to be wearing UGGs in the winter. You know, whenever, maybe if I'm running errands, or along with any outfit if I don't want to get super dressed up. I also believe that this bag will go with any other thing. Like if you want to wear some brown heels, some brown suede heels, you can definitely rock this Telfar bag with it. It has the fur lining just like you see inside of the UGG boots. So cute. I think this is perfect for the winter. Some people are saying they wear it in the fall, maybe so, but I will more so wear this bag in the winter, being that I live in Georgia. It doesn't really get cold until the winter season begins. So cute. So I'm opening the bag. Sorry you guys can't see too much. It does come with the longer straps, just like the regular Telfar bags that are in the collab, and the two short straps as well. Those come with fur. I'm going to take this paper off. The Telfar bag does come with the stitched emblem. It says UGG by Telfar, or times Telfar. I'm not really sure how you say that. So I'm opening the bag. It just has some tissue paper to keep its shape, keep the bag shape. And then it comes with this duster. This is so cute. It's a lot different from the regular Telfar dusters because this one also says that it's UGG, showing that it's a collaboration. I definitely love these duster bags. They come in handy, especially when I'm traveling. I've already messed up one of my other bags a little bit because I didn't use the duster. Learned my lesson. I will definitely be using these dusters wherever I go if I'm throwing my purse inside of any luggage. So I think it's so cute that they offered this, very unique to the collaboration. I'm just going to put this to the side. Take out the rest of the things in the bag. There's tissue paper. So this is the medium bag, if you did not notice already. You can see the UGG tag. And inside, just like the other medium bags, come with one pocket, one medium-sized pocket, and the UGG by Telfar stitching inside. This is going to be so cute for my winter days out and about. Cannot wait to wear it. I know a lot of people are complaining that Telfar offered this bag in November and didn't get it out until like spring of the following year, but I don't mind that at all. I look forward to wearing this bag at the end of the year. I know it's limited edition, so it's not going to come out again. No one's going to have this particular bag, and I just think it's a piece that you need for the winter. Like, who doesn't love limited edition? Like, if you don't got it already, you can't get it, sis. Period. It's such a staple piece for the winter, in my opinion. And yeah, I can't wait. With leather jackets, fur jackets, even I might just even wear it with this during winter. Who knows? But I think this is perfect. I love the color. So I have UGG boots that'll go perfect with them. These are UGG boots, not Telfar in any way. You know, regular UGG boots. And chestnut. This is a chestnut color. And I think this chestnut color will go perfect with the Telfar bag. I love how this bag has the Telfar logo with the fur and not with just this suede material. I think it definitely gives it a little bit more, like, you know, pizzazz to the bag. And I also like the fact that this bag isn't an all-time, you know, all year round bag. Like, I wouldn't wear this bag all throughout the year. This is just gonna be for the winter. Once winter is over, I'm putting it back up until the next year. I think this is such a cute idea. I love it. If you're interested in knowing the details about Telfar, I did mention it in one of my other videos. You can check out my previous video where I show you my large, medium, and small size bags. I purchased 5 before. This is my 6th bag. If you want to know more information about Telfar and the company, please refer to that video and you can see the other bags that I purchased if you are interested. So because we're in the month of June, I am going to put this bag up and you guys won't be seeing it until the end of the year. I thank you guys so much for watching this video. I thank you to my subscribers and returning watchers. Please subscribe if you have not already and like this video. Comment down below anything that you did not hear me state. I can answer your questions in the comments. I thank you so much for watching this video today and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.
Doing shit that's gonna make me elevate. Only one people around that's gonna make me better.